Imagine your neurologist looking you dead in the eye and saying, "Good news. We might fix your MS with spaghetti." Let that sink in. Because yes, today we are talking about Neuro-Noodle Therapy. No, it's not dinner. No, you can't order it extra saucy. And no, it does not come with breadsticks. Tragic. But what if I told you this sci-fi sounding idea might actually help the brain repair myelin one day? Welcome to the episode where your nervous system meets carbohydrates. Hit the like button if you're already confused but committed. Let's do this. Picture your nerves as electrical wires. Now picture your myelin as the cozy foam insulation that keeps electricity from flying everywhere like a toddler with a glitter bomb. MS walks in like, "Oh wow, nice insulation you have there. Shame if something happened to it." Cue evil villain laugh. What happens next? Signals slow down. Messages get lost. Your body becomes the world's worst Wi-Fi network. So yes, repairing myelin isn't just a luxury. It's the neurological equivalent of patching every pothole on the highway after a monster truck show. Enter the Neuro Noodles. Imagine thin, flexible, biocompatible strands designed to guide nerves so they can remyelinate correctly. Basically, smart spaghetti, blessed spaghetti, PhD-level spaghetti. No, they won't control your thoughts. No, you can't upload your consciousness into the cloud through them. And no, they won't give you superpowers. If they did, trust me, I'd be first in line. Flying Cairo? Yes, please. But the fun part? They might actually help guide nerve signals, support new myelin growth, and provide a structure for the brain to heal. Imagine giving your neurons Google Maps with turn-by-turn directions. In 0.3 millimeters, please remyelinate left. Here's where we drop some real facts, gently, like a responsible science influencer. 1. Biomaterials. Scientists are creating tiny scaffolds that encourage cells to grow in the right direction. Think, tiny interior decorators for your brain. 1. Neural guidance cues, like traffic cones for nerve signals, but less orange and hopefully less deadly. 1. Remyelination research. We're learning how oligodendrocytes, the myelin builders, respond to different environments. The dream? That Neuro Noodles could help rebuild damaged areas so nerves can fire properly again. If this works someday, it could be huge for MS. Like, I might actually make plans for next summer. Huge. As always, science giveth, and science saith, not so fast, bucko. Roadblock number 1. Immune rejection. Your body sees the noodles and says, "Who invited you? Security." Roadblock number 2. Implantation difficulty. Placing these in brain tissue requires accuracy equivalent to threading a needle while skydiving, blindfolded, holding a screaming ferret. Roadblock number 3. Long-term safety. We need to know, do they dissolve? Do they migrate? Do they unionize and demand rights? Roadblock number 4. Ethics. Who gets it? How expensive will it be? Will your insurance say, "We don't cover pasta-based neurology"? Roadblock number 5. Time. This isn't next week. It's more like, we're working on it. Check back sometime between now and the heat death of the universe. Current research avenues include remyelination drugs, stem cell therapy, CAR-T variations for autoimmune modulation, neuroprotective agents, nanotechnology lifestyle approaches that support neuronal health. Basically, we are in a renaissance of MS research. Scientists everywhere are throwing spaghetti at the wall, sometimes literally, and seeing what sticks. So, is Neuro-Noodle Therapy a real future treatment? Maybe, possibly, potentially, in the same way that self-driving cars exist, but mine still can't figure out a left turn. But here's what matters. Innovation is happening. Remyelination is a real target, and science is getting bold enough to try pasta-shaped solutions. So tell me in the comments, would you try Neuro-Noodle Therapy? Vote with emojis. And hey, if this gave you hope, a laugh, or at least a better relationship with spaghetti, hit like, subscribe, and share this with your favorite MS warrior. Your brain deserves good noodles.